Hi, this is Ashley from iRoofing, and today I'm going to show you the customer database feature of the application. This is basically your hub of organization. It's a way to manage all of your roofing jobs. In that case, I'll show you the process of looking and browsing through everything in just 3 minutes and 40 seconds. I want to point out right off the bat the best thing about the iRoofing customer database is the fact that you can present your past and current projects based on location. That's a very powerful tool when someone asks you if you've done any jobs in their area, and you can not only tell them, but you can show them on a digital map that can zoom into their area and they can see what you've done. Each one of these pins is actually a roofing project that you can select and go into it to see more detail. There are two scenarios where this would be useful. The first is to show it to a potential customer and to help sell a job. Maybe you'll go in and you'll show them some before and after photos of your recent work. Another instance would be if maybe a past client calls you up and you want to know all the information about them. You can see everything that you did for that specific project. And that's what we're going to look at here in this video. So we'll start browsing here. The first tab that you see is the estimate. This estimate was generated in the iRoofing app, and you'll notice it contains the roof measurements, some simulated photos, marked up photos of the original roof, a breakdown of the materials, and ultimately the terms and conditions. The next tab is what some of our contractors use to set up and schedule meetings. It's a nice way to manage your tasks and follow-up. So I'm going to schedule a visit, and then I'm going to set up a task for July 23rd to present the estimate to John Smith, and I'll get a notification reminder in green, which means that I haven't completed that task yet. Next are the client's chosen products and any additional information like a notice of acceptance, like we saw in the catalogs video. Next are the property photos that I took for the client. So in this case, I will show you the markup process within the app. This is to show the client specific areas that I find problematic in their existing roof as part of my roof inspection. So I can draw around the damaged areas, and then I can edit text beside it to label it. So the next section would be the roof measurement, and from here you can either edit the measurement that you've already created, or you can just look at the report. Again, any of our measurements can be made as a full linear report, or you can just do the perimeter squares. The next tab within this client's profile is the simulated photos. And if you want to see how I made these, there is a separate video on our channel. So I created these roof simulations in iRoofing, and I just browsed to apply different products and colors, which I can then order from any distributor in the US. Next, any documents that I have can be added here. So the documents, as I said, could be anything from a notice of acceptance all the way to a signed contract, which you can also sign within the app. Here are payments, so it's really easy to add any payment structure to the system for the project itself. For example, we can enter a deposit, which would then detract from the total. You could also add a credit that you have for the client. Any technical information would be the next section. So here basically I'm going to go into the material that I chose for this specific client and browse through. You can do this for any of the other manufacturers that appear here as well, just by tapping on the shape or color in the left and going into technical info. Here I'm just going to add the Atlas Signature Select Premium Protection information to the client's profile. So that's basically the major scope of the benefits of iRoofing's customer database system. There are actually even more features that I didn't get to include in this video today. In any case, I hope it was beneficial for all of you, and I know many of our clients find that this part of the application helps them to close more, sell more, and basically organize their business as well. Thank you very much for your time today, and as always, you can give us a call at 1-800-646-6270, and remember, you always have free and unlimited training with iRoofing.